finessed the F out of this hair, and now it looks fantastic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I got some hair from Amazon. I got two different types of hair. This one, would you believe, is like £14. Guys, let me tell you one thing. I am somebody who spends hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pounds every year buying hair, and I just feel like I could get bargain sometimes. And also for my lovely subscribers, I wanted to show you guys that sometimes you can get cheap stuff and make them look expensive. Okay, this is a £14 hair from Amazon. I actually love it. When I got the hair out of the package, it looks kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie, but I am the ultimate finesser. Okay, tell me this hair don't look good. I'm gonna bring it up close. It's a 6-inch wig, okay, and it's from this company on Amazon called Leeven or Leeven hair, whichever way you want to call it. Your ultimate finesser here went on Amazon and got you the best hair, so you don't have to go on there. Okay, so this is what this £14 hair looks like. I think I look good. I absolutely love it. So let's move on. There's two different hairs that I'm going to be trying on. This is the first one. Let's move on to the next one. Next hair looks good as well. Okay, but I will link everything down below if you guys want to get it, do so. But what I did with this hair was, when you first get it, it's like all curly like this, but you need to use your blow dryer. I know it's synthetic hair, but you need to use your blow dryer on low heat, blow dry it, and then use your fingers to comb out the curls like this. Okay, and then spray a little bit of water on it, and then bring out those curls. Like, don't be scared, bring out those curls. Use a brush. If you can't use your fingers to do it completely, I used my brush as well. Finger detangle it, and you're gonna get this eventually. So yeah, this is a headband wig. Okay, I wanted to get a really nice like a headband wig, but those ones like usually cost like £300, 200 something pound, £300 or even more. And just the fact that I've never had a headband wig or whatever, I wanted to get one that was a little bit, well, one that was cheap to try on and see if I liked it before I actually invest in a more expensive one. And I got this off Amazon. This one is £20. Okay, this is a secret between you and I. £20. Okay. It feels really good, like kind of smooth, and the texture is actually very great. Only thing is, if your hair was to catch fire, best believe it's gonna melt. Okay, that's the only thing. But obviously we know that with every synthetic hair. But can you guys believe this? Like, I believe these are the best hair of Amazon at the moment. Like I said, I went to Amazon, so you don't have to go there. So click on the link down below and purchase you this wig. And it also comes with like two different hair bands. This is the black one that's attached to the wig, but it has like two different colored ones that you can just put on depending on your outfit, or if you're not feeling the black too much, you can put those ones on. This length, I would say, is about 16 inches. It doesn't say on the pack, but overall, I love it. And flip it all to the left, you know, flip it back that way, center, that way. I wear my hair back and, you know, like flip it to the left, flip it to the right, whichever way you want. You know, it's entirely up to you, but yeah. Can you guys see the texture, like close up? I love it. So I really can't wait to wear my wig out, and I will tell you guys when I do, like, how I felt. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and also leave your comment and subscribe, please. Thank you, and until next time, it's a kiss from me. Bye, cheers. Over, guys. But I'm currently feeling my hair. I'm feeling myself.